In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your Instagram account on Manychat quickly and easily. Whether you're new to Manychat or simply need a little guidance, I'm here to walk you through the process, step by step, ensuring it's as seamless as possible. To get started, head over to the Manychat website. Once you're there, focus your attention on the upper right corner of the screen where you'll see the Get Started button. Go ahead and click on it. This is your gateway to integrating your Instagram with Manychat, setting the groundwork for enhanced communication and engagement with your audience. After you've clicked Get Started, you'll need to select Instagram from a list of channels presented to you. Choosing Instagram will direct you towards setting up a connection between your Instagram and Manychat accounts. At this stage, it's all about following the prompts to link your Facebook account. As Instagram is owned by Facebook, this step is critical to ensuring a smooth integration. Simply follow the on-screen instructions to make the necessary connections. Once you've successfully connected your Facebook account, you'll notice an option to add a new account. Click on this, as it will allow you to proceed with linking your Instagram. Here, you'll be met with a straightforward choice. Simply click on Instagram, which confirms your intent to pair your Instagram account with Manychat. Next, you'll come across the Go to Instagram button. Clicking this button takes you to Instagram's login page within a pop-up window. Here, you'll need to enter your Instagram credentials to sign in. This step is crucial as it allows you to verify your account on Instagram itself, and it initiates the setup of a few important permissions. Once you're logged in, it's time to grant some permissions. Don't worry. This step is about ensuring that Manychat has the access it needs to function efficiently with your Instagram account. Grant the required permissions by carefully reviewing each request. These permissions will enable Manychat to perform necessary actions like sending messages or viewing your Instagram insights. And just like that, you've successfully connected your Instagram account to Manychat. By following these steps, you're now equipped to enhance your communication strategy, utilizing Manychat's powerful features to engage with your Instagram audience effectively. Remember, a well-connected Instagram account not only simplifies managing interactions, but also scales your reach and impact. So there you have it, a quick and easy tutorial to help you connect your Instagram to Manychat. Thank you for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful content. Until next time, happy chatting on Manychat.